PCTV here on Wednesday night cruise night, and here comes Brian Almus, and Gary, and Junior.
What's up, brother man? Hey, Dylan. Hey, tonight we're from my Muskie's house. Put him in the Hall of Fame. We're gonna cheer him up. Love having you down here. Miss Dano, young blood. Sioux City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
Yeah, buddy.
This is for Muskie.
All right,
we're
brother.
cruising for him. Hit the subscribe button to PC. PC, thanks for all you do. You know, this club's amazing. We got everybody behind us, and we're going by Muskies tonight.
Love Muskie, man.
Sioux City Classics in the
Yeah,
house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
You were just watching me live. That was awesome. All right, buddy. Smooth living. Look at that. Mr. DIY magazine, man.
DIY, man.
Put in that boat.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
You got it. Do it tomorrow, too. All right. Cop Car Bruce in the house. What is up, my brother?
Hey, how you doing?
How are you? Good to see you.
Same here.
Thank you for the support. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Cop Car Bruce. And after that, we're heading to Muskie's. There's Tammy. Hey, Mr. Graduate.
Hey.
Hey. Max just got his associate's in science. Here's my roomie. Alley Cat.
Hey.
What is up, brother man?
I want
Good
to
see
say
you.
hi to my son, Steve, in Iowa. Come
Sir.
on down and get you some.
World famous Alley Cat in the house. I've never heard a horn actually fart. Oh, we got Pinto Bob in the house here. Look at that. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Baddest Pinto on the road. Looking good. Ooh, nice. Yeah, it's looking like John Coleman. Running. Good to see you, brother. Steve Thomas in the house. What is up, my friend?
Hey, how's it
Good to
going?
see you, man. Great. Thanks for coming out. And look at that beautiful 34. Or actually, it's 36. Rob Dixon. Rob Dixon.
What did you say,
Good to see you.
How you doing? Good to see you.
Sounding good. Here's Don. And now we know it's Don, right?
It's Don. Donna Marie.
Donna Maria. Donna Marie. All right.
Thank you.
Loving it. Take care, you guys. So cool. How do you do it?
Bring her around the room.
Dude, I don't know how you do it so fast. Bringing back memories, brother. You're bringing back memories. Look at this. Loving it. Thank you. Sweetie.
Yeah, hey,
Look at,
what's up there, Patrick?
how are you, Bobby Z and
Great.
Tammy? Look at this. And we have
Muskie, love you, pal. This one's for you.
Oh, this brings
Thanks,
me
Brian.
back memories. Oh, my God.
wow. Migliori's just making it through.
Good morning, Leo.
We got Bobby Z.
Bobby. What's up, Daddy? How the fuck are you, bro? Good to see you.
We just went to an R rating.
PC. What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? That's great. Well, we just got our R rating now. Mike Miller's in the house. I'll draw my big feet in. These size 12s. How are you, sir?
Yeah, pretty good.
Good to see you.
Yeah, Delaware Brown.
Yep, there goes Steve. There goes Mike. Oh, his engine sounds a lot better. We got Jerry in the house. What is up, my man? How are you?
There you go, buddy.
Good to see you, buddy.
Hi.
Thanks. Car looks great.
Yeah.
It looks so good in the light. Joe Garrett, yeah.
PCTV.
What is up, my brother?
Hanging out, having some fun.
You know it. Good to see you. this guy. What's up, Paul? How you doing, brother?
How's it going, man?
Running the old school Surf City. I love that one. There he goes, Paul in the 70. SS, no, Camino. I like sourdough.
Me too, actually.
She got it, thank you. PC sticker there, I love it. And here's Fitz in the house, driving my #1 favorite Impala 65, 2-door, first car I ever owned. I love this thing, love this thing. Except mine was a 4-door piece of junk. Look who's back. Somebody's back. I was wondering where you were. Roger's back in town. Look at this monster hunk. You know, you would really look good with a slingshot dragster with a frickin' Hemi in the back.
I think I would too.
Yeah. This
Got
is,
one?
No, I'm fresh out.
I got an extra Hemi though. We just need to build the rail.
Well, we just gotta get everything around it. Sweet truck.
Right on.
Love it. We'll be driving this on Sunday.
Hey, after the second lap,
Here we go. We got Wheeler here. Oh, I saw a big perm just a second ago. There he is. Up.
second lap, I'm gonna take a ride to Sunset.
Moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
I know, right?
Yeah, right.
What's up, man?
Mr. Bowtie. That's as much Chevy as you got with you today. Hit on Bob one more time. Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Good to see you. This is a rolling light machine right here. He's got to keep it secret. And we got Don and Marie again. I love their Jetbird.
Next week, pal.
Take care.
Thank you.
All right, good to see you. Nice couple. Look at this. 62 Sport Fury. 349.
Brought out the grandkids from Oregon.
Oh, you sure did, didn't you?
Yeah, they're having fun tonight.
All right, good to see you, bro. Man, that is such a rare car right there. Hey, it's Rob. Rob's rolling tonight.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, brother?
How you
Good to
doing?
see you.
See you too.
Yeah. Huge crowd tonight for Muskie. Steve's coming through again. Second lap for Mr. Thomas. Boom. Yes, and I will get that tile cleaned up.
Okay.
He's going to help me out with the tile job. Look at this. We're getting guys coming through back.
Take your time around.
All right, brother man. Just like my old Baja bug. Oh, now I got to watch my feet. We got Devin in the house here. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, boy. Oh, crap. Whoa.
Did I get them?
Dude, my insurance is not paid, okay? And I'm in between primaries right now, just to let you know.
Well, you know, that's all right. That's no
Okay. At least I'm with Hogue now. Oh, really? Wow, you made the back of the line, didn't you? Hi, guys. Car looks
I think we'll go
amazing.
around the other way.
Yeah, definitely. Petersons. We got Neville coming through one more time. Smooth living.
Round two.
Boom.
Get move.
Yeah. Boom. Max one more time coming through. Boom. Looking good. And Dahlia. I thought you were going to take the corner off my truck. Good to see you. Oh, I love the sound of this thing. You sound so healthy.
You gotta get out of here before I get in trouble.
Yeah. Take care. Yeah, that thing's out. It's loud. Mouse and Mary. Hi.
I was zipped up.
Oh, we got a story. We got a story. Gary rolled. No way. Yeah. Gary and Wiki rolled. Oh, that's because for Muskie, yeah. We got Mike Miller one more time. Mike again. Brother man. Rolling good, huh? Yeah, he had a little incident. Mel Potts, the master of the meeting. The man with the light.
See ya.
Good to see you, brother. Take care. wagon right here. 65, sick ass wagon. Owen's family, get my feet out of the way. Jerry, one more time. We'll see you over at Muskie's. All right, brother.
All right.
Thanks. Good guy there. Really good guy. Just dude, the line.
It's past my bedtime, bro.
I know. Thanks for supporting, bro. And
Hell yeah, you know it.
never forget that
Both
boy.
of
Right
us.
there.
Hell
You know
yeah.
it. Love you, bro.
Brother.
We gotta hang out. Yeah. Yeah.
For Muskie, do you know?
Huh?
Where are we staging for Muskie? Do you know?
Right down the side there on the street. So you're gonna make the left and then go right. 48 flea line right here. Watch my toes.
PCTV.
What is up, my
What's
brother?
up, brother?
Looking tight.
Oh, hey, you know what happened? I
don't
got
know what
excited.
I know. You got all thrilled, didn't you?
PCT.
Well, he always brings something bitchin' every time. He's always got something different. All right, I love this GMC, this K5. Well, we're picking the 70 up on Sunday.
What's that?
We're picking the 70 up on Sunday. We're gonna have to compare pearls.
Come hang out with us.
That'd be great. All right, take care. Oh yeah, big grin. Love that smile. There's Paul one more time. Yeah, baby.
Hey, buddy.
Last
what's
roll.
going on?
Gonna stage up for Muskie?
Yeah.
All right, bro. Great. Thanks. There goes Paul. And we got ourselves a Lexus. And a lady goes. We got my brother Robert here. My brother from another mother. He just put he's already put a visor on this thing. Now, you didn't already do the headlights too, did you?
No.
Oh, okay, the headlights were like that, but you did the visor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Couldn't-
oh, the little LEDs
Yeah,
on
the
the
little-
headlights?
yeah. You did those or no?
They were on there.
Oh, okay, good.
Yep.
Let's say you're getting way too fast on
No,
this. Okay.
Just a few little things.
All right. The killer ramp truck. Watch your toes.
And left, like tower.
All right, we're got a lot more cars coming down the road here. That's a nice Chevy pickup. And then we got Ebersol coming through one more time. And there we go. Good slinger. Looking good. Gun slinger's looking tight. In the 56. Running Surface Classics. Got ourselves a Prius here. Pretty sweet. Remember my buddy Bernie, he always used to put his power banks on 6 and always smoke them out. One more time with Mel.
Hello, master.
Yes, sir. Good to see you. Love this car, by the way. 69, beautiful, beautiful Camaro. One more time in the wagon. Looks like we're coming to the end of the line here, so I'm gonna roll over the Muskie. Get over as quick as we can. All right, you guys.
Later.
Boom. Take care. Have a good night, guys. There goes Lee.
And you see what you look like from the backside.
I got to see it back end. There we go. The Stoodle Dog.
Well, I take it I follow them and then.
Yeah, just
Okay.
follow them and we're going to stage up along the side here by the parking garage. All right, guys, and Mouse and Mary, the last one's through. And we're going to go ahead and close this night out with Mouse and Mary here in the house. M&M.
Bringing up the rear.
Looking tight. And man, have you got a rear?
Yeah, I heard about that one.
All right, that's it for the night, you guys. PCTV out. We'll see you in about.